Holy cow, it's windy. There was a time in this fair land with a railroad in a run, when the old majestic mountain stood alone against the sun. Gordon Langford. Boys and girls, Colts defense has been doing their job. The offense, not so much. So this is pretty well organized here. We're in the fourth quarter here. We got game tickets. Of course, I don't pay. I'm the GOAT. I never pay. I got here late, that's why. You got school, you got fans, you got beer, you got program, you got win. Spare, this is my real hair. If this was a wig, this wig would be in British Columbia by now. And this is real. Let's say goodbye to the train. There was a train that was in this video no longer. Let's watch the football.
To gain of 9 yards, second down.
So boys and girls, I am at Shouldice Athletic Park. 12 minutes to go here, fourth quarter, down by 2 touchdowns. They got to put some points on the board here. Now we got a ball game, boys and girls. Now I just learned something today. Red is the predominant color here of Calgary. I never said I was the smartest, because when you think about it, all the sports teams wear red. The Calgary Flames, we'll see them tonight, they wear red. The Calgary Stampeders, I saw them 2 nights ago, they wear red. The Calgary Colts here, they wear red. Let's see the field goal.
Multiple flags on the extra point.
Holy cow, it's windy. And as I was saying, the soccer team, Association of Football yesterday, they wear red. I'm wearing red. And I'm having a good time. They said, well, win, do not despair. This is really my real hair. If this was a wig, it'd be in British Columbia or Saskatchewan. Or maybe in the U.S., depending on which way the wind blows. I don't know what's going on here, boys and girls, but I don't think that field goal counted. And Edmonton's field goal didn't count either. You don't need a weatherman to tell the way the wind blows. Boys and girls, having a good time here in Canada. Neither my home nor my native land. The sun is trying to come out. It was out earlier and there was no wind, and now it's got Nike. Even white is black is Edmonton Warriors. They're white. It's even the red is the Calgary Colts. It's 17 to 23 years old. My arm was a little bit high, so I almost switched my other arm. Did you ever use a tripod? No, you can't.
Applied on the kickoff. We're going to redo the cocker.
And it is a last call for an ice cold beer or cooler. $5 today. You can get your tickets at the merchandise table.
Boys and girls, would you like a beer? I'm buying. They probably do here. But too much in the city. So, it's Junction, quite a lot of dysfunction. Now they're going to do field goal. They're throwing that penalties and stuff. So, boys and girls, let's see if the Colts can jack on a point here. They're down by 8. It's getting late. Here we go.
and 20.
Aloha, boys and girls. It's the GOAT here. The great small time, Clementine, Bring Your Mind, one of a kind, super fan sports travel. There was a time in this fair land where the railroad did not run, where the old majestic mountains glowed against the sun. Gordon Lightfoot, having a good time here in old Canada, either my home or my native land. Here's the deal, Lemon Deal. We got Canadian League football, lower division. These cats in 17-23. They're trying to make it to the big show, Kokomo. Colts and Red, they're the home team, they're down by 7. Team of the White is Edmonton. It's the Battle of Alberta, CFL lower tier style. Let's watch it. So boys and girls, the team in the white is called the Edmonton Huskies. As they say at Washington State, Michael Vick should have used Huskies. That's a bad joke. You know what I'm talking about. Tell Michael Vick, we forgive people in the U.S. Don't we? We're such a nice country. We shoot you in the church, but then we forgive you. The United States of America. I love it. Car's wrapped in the American flag. Sometimes we're the United States of the fucked up. Let's watch some football. So boys and girls, it's a Sunday fun day, 21 September 2025. No tripod because it's windy like Dorothy. Do not despair, this is my real hair, because if it wasn't, this wig would already be in British Columbia, probably in the port of Vancouver or Victoria. Here's the deal, Lemon Peel. Having a good time here. Ooh, the wind went away. Now you can hear me and you can see me. I got some dry skin going on. I've had some. Didn't have the greatest shave. Despite all those things.
Second down.
I'm still pretty. Wait for it. Like a girl. Or maybe not like a girl.
Loss
So
of
I'm pretty.
1 yard,
Maybe
second down.
silly. Here we go, boys and girls.
Incomplete. Jennifer William Campbell, number 88. Third down.
So I would say we've got about maybe 500 to 1,000 fans here today. They do charge admission. I was a little bit late because I was over at the Canada Olympic Park where the 80 Olympics took place, seeing the ski jump, the bobsled, and some of the indoor venues there. There were like secondary venues. The main venue was the Saddle Dome. I'm going to the next to
back to receive.
Third down. Here we go.
Keone Roberson on the return up to the 50-yard line before he's tackled by Nathaniel Packey, number 11.